Hey, I'm getting ready to go to Autodrom Pomorze. Today I'll show you what my training looks like with the new car I'm preparing for the drift course. It's a BMW E46 and it looks like this. The engine is a 2.5 with 17-inch wheels. In back, I installed jig wheels with retreaded tires. Inside, we've got a roll cage installed, bucket seats. So basically the car is adapted for amateur drifting. I haven't driven this car much, so this is my first real test. We'll also check its performance and see if any improvements are needed. Alright, it's the same amount. Alright. Wipers. They're working, it's good. Here I have a switch for an extra fan. For now, I'll turn it off until the engine warms up. Basically, every time we start driving, I don't immediately jump on the track and floor it. I just do a few test laps to make sure everything is okay with the car. It's better to approach this a bit more sensibly here. Oh, they did it here. You can attach to the wall and make it from the wall. Awesome. Basically, it's dry and wet. The track is just full of patches. And I have homemade liqueurs, which, to be honest, don't grip at all in the wet. On dry, they're kind of normal. It's a complete struggle, but at least it's something. It's starting to rain harder and harder. Until the end.
Hold B so you can take the car away because it's in our way. Yuck. I'll move it somewhere else, okay? Thanks.
Rodeco is working. Awesome. As you can see, it started raining. The track is already all wet, and I think I've already ridden for about half an hour. I'm starting to get a feel for this car. So I think this is the perfect time to do a no handbrake challenge with the new car. Okay, let's go. Second gear. We start as wide as possible, clutch kick. Transition, and here, with this rotation on the hairpin, we position the car to exit the hairpin as best as possible, and now we floor it. Yes, remember, I let off the gas, I brake. And here it's the same. I go down without gas, just at an angle. I add some gas, switch sides. Let's go, all transitions here into the gas. And we head into the hairpin. Take the hairpin as wide as possible. Oh, there's a slight oversteer here. Let's go, here just as wide, because we have a long corner ahead of us. We gently use the throttle to set the angle. And we attack the wall. Well, it was okay. We pass and then attack the other wall. Then we pull. And we got it. No handbrake challenge. Accepted. No, so maybe now the other way around. Alright, so at the end we'll just try to do the same thing, which is the no handbrake challenge. But the other way around. Generally, in my opinion, it's much harder the other way around because that turn, at least for me, causes me the most problems to here, switch over quickly and brake while sideways. On the right side, without using the handbrake, there's no way to flick the car anymore, so you really have to swing the rear of the car hard to make a proper transition. Without using aids such as handbrakes,